how to fix Minecraft not working on your MacBook. So if you've tried launching Minecraft and it hasn't been working, there's a couple things you can do. So the first thing I would suggest is going to the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen and then going to force quit. Now find the Minecraft launcher and press force quit. So once that's gone, the next thing you want to do is go to go to folder, and you want to type this in. So you want to double tap on this bit here, and then you want to select all these and throw them in the bin, and then empty your bin. So now you can try load Minecraft again. If it's still not working, what you can do is go back to go to folder, and you want to copy and paste this in. I'll leave both of these bits in the description down below. So now you want to click here, and you want to select all of the documents in here. So there's two ways of doing this. You can either drag and select them all, or you can go to edit, select all, file, move to bin, and then once it's in your bin you can right click on that and empty your bin. Now all you'll need to do is re-download Minecraft and it should be working. Thank you for watching the video. Let me know down in the comments below how you got on.